I'm going to be showing you guys how to get into this Hello Kitty made fantasy. Oh, it's a full fantasy, like corset, padding, boobs, everything. But, I mean, I can do tutorials on wigs if you guys want it, but I am showing off the makeup. So if you want to know how I got into this makeup, keep on watching. I'm going to go in under my eyebrows with some white. Go under here. I didn't do them as messy today, so I think I'm gonna just go right under. Because I kind of like the shape. Yeah, I already don't like the arch of that one. So, let's try to soften that. I mean, my face is not even, as we can tell, so it doesn't really matter if the eyebrows are even. Oh, look at how malleable my skin is. Girl, they finna fly away today. What the? I'm looking like eagle wings. Yeah, okay, thanks. I hate it, but I don't think it's not fixable. Going with our whites on our face. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Shade Natural Beige. I'm just gonna blend this out. Honestly, a good old swipe and balance. Also, I have some texture today. Spackle on sandpaper. I haven't really been doing drag much, so it's very heavy. A little disgusting. I don't know how good using white face paint is on the face, so I don't know if I can really endorse it. But, I mean, I do it. You don't have to use white face paint. It's not a must. The white is only because I like it bright right here. And I want to counteract all the little points in my face that dip down. Like my mustache area and my chin, like right there. I don't know. Some stuff I just started doing, and I'm not gonna stop doing it. Because it's ingrained in me now. Like the white face paint. Can't not. And just do the most. Like, I don't know, I mainly do this so that I don't look so pink, because, like, it's not... I don't have pink down here unless, like, I've, shaven too hard, but... Other than that, my face is the only thing that's really pink. I mean, I dyed a wig, so my hands are a little pink right now, but we're gonna wear gloves, so don't you worry. Look at how thick and beautiful that is, even without concealer on yet. Oh, yum. Oh, I just used my concealer and drew some stuff on my face to blend out. Okay. And then I am going to... I am going to highlight my face. And then after I highlight, I'm going to set it. I'm going to use this. Just go in. Okay, and then I'm gonna set my face using Kimchi Puff Puff Pass. Oh, and the color is no color, so I don't want to undo all that white we just did. And then I am going to go in and start contouring. I don't want to make it too orangey or brown. I want to keep it kind of peachy, so I'm going to mainly be blushing, but first I want to put down my base contours that I need to feel good. So some right here, some right here, and just kind of marry the two together so there's not really much of a difference. Okay, so I'm mainly gonna contour my nose with shades of pink. First, I'm just going to put down. So I'm gonna grab my little brush that already has pink on it. I'm just gonna. Is that pink or is that purple? Is the question. Gonna act like it's a little bit of blush. You can put it right there. So that's where my nose kind of just keeps going. Just want to diffuse some of that pink. Okay, there we go. Then I'm going to first go in with these little powder pellets, see how I feel about how it looks, and maybe add some more blush. I don't know how it will look yet. It's more peachy than I want it. I kind of want to go in with Flamingo and just kind of... That's really pink, by the way, so... Just kind of want to go ham with it. Just don't even care. Okay. Looks like that contour is actually a little bit darker. So... I'll add some more right in the pocket. Okay, so I'm gonna go in on the eyes and just kind of mix it with this white shade and just gonna go in here really quick. We love using a transition shade once it's already on the color's already on your brush, because then they can mix together before it already goes on. I'm literally looking at myself in like this tiny little mirror. It's probably not helpful. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my whites and just kind of create our fake eyelid. Oh, and with pink and red, you don't want to mix too much because it will become the color very, very, very quickly, and it's annoying. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna quickly set that so that I can blend some stuff out on it. And I guess I'd say that this eyelid is more like a semicircle that like flares up at the end, so I don't know. I don't know why I flared up at the end. It's just going to get blended over, so it doesn't matter. You don't have to flare it up at the end. It does not matter. So before I do anything, I mainly just want to put this really yellow gold glitter right here. Okay. And then I'm going to take my brush and then first blend that. Okay, so I'm going to put that on right in the middle so I can start having something to work with, so that they kind of blend together with my brush while I'm stippling, and then just kind of add one little blend. Because we're doing it over semi-wet product, so it's still gonna not want to do what you necessarily want it to do. So you have to kind of pat to blend that little area out, and then we're gonna put some pink right here to cover this little line. You're just gonna pat and blend a little bit. It's not gonna really matter once we have the big eyelashes on, so this part isn't really that important. Okay, I'm gonna put a purple like right beside that to kind of help that transition a little bit better. I'm like semi-satisfied with that, so I'm gonna use some Trixie Cosmetics glitter in shade Marshmallow. Just gonna right along here, and then boom. And just kind of letting it stick where it wants to stick. Like I didn't really put glitter primer on, so it's not really doing that much, but just gonna cover those areas up. And then just grab our blush brush and go. Okay, I put some glitter on it, so I'm not as mad at how it blended out. And we are going on to liner really quickly. They're Wet n Wild pen liner. Just gonna go boop. I used a little bit of my bottom to kind of start the wing. I'm gonna make that wing really big. Whole big for me. Okay, those are not even, but it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna do one right there. Fade that out. Just kind of semi-connect it, like not really pressing too hard. I don't really care if anything really happens. It's my lower lash line, who cares? And I'm gonna go in with mascara. And it's just a little travel pack. Then I'm just gonna grab my little lashes. Well, it's just one pair for me, so that's pretty little. One pair for drag. Is it even drag? I'm kidding. Strength that took. You guys get bad lighting until the very end. Honestly, I could just wear eyelashes and feel like gorgeous. So big. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a nasty, rotted little lip brush. Yeah. So dry, I don't even know what color it may be. I'm gonna take some face paint and be crazy. Okay, so this is the finished makeup, and I'm going to get into the full look, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the full look with everything done. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.